Hey, welcome back. Good morning. I'm over here at Sunnyside, Queens again. And one of the subscribers had talked about I did not include, what is that, 40th Street to 44th Street on 47th Avenue, I believe. And that would be the south side of Sunnyside. That's like a block off of Queens Boulevard, so we're gonna go do that today. And hopefully she can see her old neighborhood. We're gonna try to find that position hair salon. Apparently when I googled it, it still says still open, so we shall see. Here we go. That's the Rheumatic Depot, so I guess one day we're gonna go look at that. And let's see here, Greenpoint. I think I'm gonna go past Greenpoint. That's probably where she's talking about. This must be a newer apartment here, because looks like there's not a lot of window AC. It looks like it's all built in. I don't know. There's Tibet handicraft there. That might be something to go look and see later. Alright, so we're on 47th Avenue and 47th Street. Alright, so this is the corner. We're gonna start walking from here. Let's see here. Let's see what's going on over there. I guess there's a few store, laundromat. There's a physical therapy place in the corner. There's a 99-cent store there. Basically, it's like a lot of them are neighborhood. Alright, so we're walking down on 47th Avenue, heading towards the city, towards 40th. Alright. That's a nice architecture there. That building, different. Fresh taco. Okay, there's a Mexican restaurant here in the corner. I'm not sure if it's open, but it's 10:30, so I guess I might be a little early. And there's a neighborhood supermarket again in the corner. Like I said, if you live here in Queens, Sunnyside, there's a lot of grocery. It's very convenient for me. Yeah, everything's still closed. It's 10 o'clock. So It's a beauty salon here.
You go first.
Another convenience store and a laundromat again. Oh look, there's a Jehovah's Witness. I don't know if you call it a church or a mosque or a chapel. Excuse me, because I really don't know what they call them, but just take a peek. Looks like this is along 45th Street. Oh, there's a barber here. Right there. That's along Greenpoint. So, sorry I'm using a GoPro, and y'all know GoPro doesn't zoom in and out, so it's just stay in one zoom. But the only one thing I like about this is it has a wide angle lens. So anyway, all right, so I'm gonna turn the camera around, and we're back on 47th Avenue and 45th Street. All right. Must be a recycling day today here. Yeah, I think I walked through this street on the other video because I remember saying this is a nice architecture. Okay. Well, we're gonna walk further down all the way to 40th Street and then catch the subway. We're going down to Manhattan today. Oh, look at that, Peter's Impression, still open. I might walk here. Well, the sign anyway. We'll see. So it looks like it's still there. But we're gonna try to cross the street and see if it's really open. One of my subscribers said they closed since then. This has been open for 50 some years, they said. But it's still open, looks like. Yeah. Not a good. Alright. Crossing. So it's the sign. And they had starting to do composting here too. I remember the last video, remember? They're starting, you can dump your compost there. Laundromat here. And again, this is part of Sunnyside still. The south side Chinese store. I mean, no, fast food takeout over there. Right there in the corner. Takeout, Chinese takeout. Looks like they got basketball courts and stuff. I can go. Looks like they got basketball court. I'm gonna go cross it just to see. do a loop around this park. Yeah, they have courts, stuff, basketball court. I think yesterday somebody was playing pickleball there. One thing about New York I like is in every neighborhood there is somehow some sort of a park or a playground, you know. So since most people live in tight spaces, small apartments really, and they provided playground and park so you can, you know, get out and enjoy a little bit of the sun and the outdoors. Yeah. Oh, look at that pigeon. Never seen that kind of pigeon. Black and white spotted. Uh-oh, says sidewalk closed, use other side. I'm a little too late for that. No, they didn't have a sign on the other side. Thank God it's not wet. Looks like it's dried already. A lot of pigeon here. Alright, so now in this corner here, this looks like more commercial. There's a grocery, liquor store, a drugstore, halal food, flower shop, discount store. I think we're getting close to the library. Again, a lot of apartment. The grocery here. I guess I never did walk this side of Sunnyside. Be a school. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's a vocational. It's a vocational school. Oh, hey, that's Queens Vocational and Technical High School. Yeah. Y'all can see the skyline of New York there in the very front. Empire State Building right in front. Well, my GoPro died. My battery didn't hold up. We're just gonna go ahead and take the subway to Manhattan and go about my business. But anyway, yeah, that's the south side of Sunnyside. Well, hope y'all enjoy a little bit of Sunnyside today. For viewers that love or watch the Sunnyside video, but this is just another part of it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe. Until next time, bye!